How to pass a sleep apnea test. If you're preparing for a sleep apnea test and wondering how to ensure it goes smoothly, you're in the right place. Let's break down the steps to help you get the best results. First, it's crucial to discuss your medications with your doctor. Certain medications, including those you buy over the counter or supplements, can affect the test results. Your doctor might need to adjust your medication temporarily to ensure accurate readings. Next, avoid caffeine and alcohol for at least 4 to 6 hours before the test. These can disrupt your sleep patterns and make it harder to fall asleep, which could necessitate repeating the study. Pack an overnight bag if you're going to a sleep center. Bring comfortable clothes, toiletries, and any items that help you relax, like a book or your favorite pillow. This will make the unfamiliar environment feel more like home. Try to skip napping during the day. While it might be tempting, especially if you're feeling tired, napping can make it harder to fall asleep at night, which is essential for the test. Eat a healthy meal before your appointment. Avoid sugary foods and drinks, and opt for something filling to keep you satisfied until the next morning. A balanced meal can help you feel more comfortable and prepared for the night ahead. Avoid using hairsprays, gels, or oils after showering. These can interfere with the sensors and electrodes that will be placed on your body to monitor your sleep and vital signs. Follow your regular bedtime routine as closely as possible. Bring items that you use every night to help you sleep, like your own bedclothes or a favorite blanket. This can make the sleep center feel more like your own bedroom. If you're feeling anxious or have trouble sleeping in new environments, your doctor might prescribe a sleep aid to help you relax. However, this should only be done under medical advice. During the test, you'll have sensors attached to various parts of your body, including your scalp, chest, legs, and finger. These monitor your brain waves, heart rate, breathing, and other vital signs. Don't worry if you need to get up during the night. The staff will be there to help you disconnect the wires and get back to bed comfortably. Remember, it's normal to feel a bit uncomfortable with all the equipment, but most people manage to fall asleep eventually. Even if you don't sleep as well as you do at home, the test can still provide accurate results with just a few hours of sleep. By following these steps, you can ensure that your sleep apnea test is as successful and stress-free as possible. This will help your healthcare providers get the accurate information they need to diagnose and treat any sleep-related issues you may have.